I'm going to show you a few example questions that would be on the CWI Part A. Let's go through a few of them. I'm going to see if you can answer these questions. Okay, here we go. What AWS document describes the rules for the CWI certification program? A. AWS 5.1. B. AWS D1.1. C. AWS QC1. D. AWS 5.1. E. AWS 14.1. The answer is AWS QC1. Number 2. What are the 3 welding inspection certifications covered under AWS QC1? A. CAWI, CWI, BWI, B. CWI, CAWI, SCWI, C. SCWI, CWI, ACWI, D. Levels 1, 2, and 3. E. None of the above. And the answer is B. Certified Welding Inspector, Certified Associate Welding Inspector, and Senior Certified Welding Inspector. Okay, let's do a couple of more of these and I'll let you go. Let's do number 3 right here. It says the acronym CASH stands for what? A. Knowledge, Attitude, Skills, and Habits. B. Knowledge, Application, Skills, and Habits. C. Knowledge, Attitude, Skills, and Honesty. D. Knowledge, Application, Skills, and Honesty. E. Knowledge, Attitude, Sincerity, and Honesty. And the answer is A. Knowledge, Attitude, Skills, and Habits. Number 4. Acetylene becomes unstable above what pressure? A. 5 pounds per square inch. B. 10 pounds per square inch. C. 15 pounds per square inch. Or D. None of the above. The answer is C. 15 pounds per square inch. Last but not least, number 5. This question may get you guys, so let's go with it. It says, in the AWS system of SMAW electrode designations, the number next to the last digit refers to A. Impact strength. B. Electrode coating. C. Welding position. D. Strength. E. None of the above. And the answer to this last question is welding position. C. Welding position. Before we leave, let's break down that last question. You see this welding process right here. It's called shielded metal arc welding. We're welding with a 7018. You notice that the progression is going uphill and it has slag on it. And the slag is a protection for the weld. And American Welding Society has also developed a system to identify these electrodes. Let's break this one down. It's an E7018. The E lets you know that it's an electrode. And the digit 70 lets you know that it's 70,000 pounds per square inch. That's the minimum. And you can also have an E118. The 100 lets you know is that it's 100,000 pounds per square inch minimum. And the next number following this is the 1, which lets me know that I can weld this in all positions except downhill. If I wanted to weld it downhill, just change the 1 to a 4. And the next number following this 1 would be your 8. And that 8 is going to let you know that this is the electrical characteristics and the chemical composition. I can run it on AC, DC negative, DC plus. So this is a breakdown of the electrode. And if you want to take a practice quiz or anything, just look in on my website at www.weldingandstuff.net and click on the link.